Oh man, I cannot wait. Whew. Just gonna do a little quick video right now. We got the steak at the Athens farmers market. What cut? It was top sirloin, I think it was. Ooh, that looks beautiful, don't it?
We were gonna cut it in half, but we aren't. So Brian's just gonna spice up his own later.
I know. I was gonna marinate it in some spicy stuff, man.
Nope.
Boo, boo. But yeah, we're gonna put some garlic on it. Some roasted garlic. That's looking good right there. And then what you got there?
Oregano.
Oregano. All right. We'll put some oregano on there. Looking all pretty.
And then I moved everything around in here, so.
Then some. What you got? Balsalmic vinegarette.
I think that would be good, and then I'll add some salt before because we want to actually taste the steak.
Yeah, we want to enjoy the meat itself at the same time.
We know to marinate it.
Exactly, and that marinade is gonna be nice.
Yep.
So we just flipped it. We're gonna put those same seasonings on the back side.
We are gonna throw this in the Foreman tomorrow when Brian gets home.
And then, yeah, well, for y'all, it's going to look like the same day. But this is going to be sitting overnight. 24, maybe a little less than 24 hours.
And we are good.
That looks pretty. That's going to make it nice and tender. Ooh, that's going to be juicy.
I'm pretty sure it's already tender. It's just going to be extra yummy.
And as our sides, we got some good old green beans.
And these are actually fresh that I got from a gas station.
Gas station green beans. Yeah, they have like a little miniature farmer's market at that gas station. And then we got some old school potatoes up in here.
Yep.
Sarah just put some milk in.
Made these also from the gas station.
Can't go wrong with gas station food right here. And then it is the following day now. And those steaks, or that steak. Oh yeah. And now the fun part. I'm gonna get the steak on this George Foreman. Is it gonna fit?
Yeah, we're gonna do our best. I may have to do it at an angle. I can also put it in the oven if I need to.
Let's try it out, y'all.
There's two that I won't use.
Oh yeah.
It's just breadcrumbs.
Moment of truth, baby. Dude, that barely fits.
I know.
Good lord.
I'm gonna have to move it around a lot.
All right, that is just flopping out the sides over there. Man. All right, check back in a couple minutes. Rotated it around a little bit. Smells amazing. Yeah, it fits better this time around. Still hanging out on the side there. Man, God, that smells good. Just flipped her over. Ooh, she looking pretty.
It's making a mess.
Yeah, that is going to be a mess.
I'm adding just a little bit of extra roasted garlic and herb that I got today.
Sounds good to me.
Because a lot of the juice that's coming out is actually the
marinade. Yup. All that marinade down there. Ah, smells good. Ooh, yeah. Got some char on it.
We'll do one more, and I think it's about time we let it rest, though. Yeah. I'm okay to let it rest. See how it is?
Think so?
Yeah. This may be more rare right here. But this...
We can let it rest.
Okay.
letting it rest underneath the aluminum foil to trap the heat in there. Ooh, just want to dig into it already. Let's cut on in.
See how I do. So.
Ooh, I think I saw something beautiful. Ooh,
I did good.
Ooh, yes you did. Goodness. Man.
It's not exactly even, but...
Can't wait. Gonna let y'all know how it is. Man. That's beautiful. Look at that red. Mm-hmm. Look at all that. Goodness. What do you think about it?
It's so good, I'm eating it.
Well, that's usually a good sign.
It's delicious. The only thing I would do is maybe add a little bit more salt. But again, it's all per taste. But it's really, really good.
Yeah, I love the taste, man. Big thumbs up right there. That's good stuff, y'all.